Hi, everyone. Hi, and welcome to the Quantum Pitch Competition 2021. We are very excited to be here. In the long term, a quantum computer is going to be able to perform simulations that are really impossible to do now with a classical computer. This is going to be useful for material science. This is going to be useful for pharma and chemical. A little bit more detail about where are these startups, and here you have all the different countries where we find startups at the moment.
It's interesting to hire people, to get better, of course, on supplying the talent via earlier education, and also focus on hiring people with high levels of technical literacy about your problem, and also very creative thinking around how to take this idea that you've been developing in the lab and researching for years and years and turn that into something that you can sell to people in the industries.
Intellectual dishonesty that's going on between the startups and the investors. I think the investors don't understand the technology at all. In most cases, there's very few, like Nardo and Christoph and the others on this panel, some of which I've worked with. Outside of that, everybody is jumping onto the quantum hype. And the problem is that adding more money to a startup doesn't make quantum come faster. Adding more money to a startup doesn't make the startup grow faster.
So as we think about the team focus, we're really looking across 4 key areas, and that is the classical, so the existing cloud platforms that we have now, and continuing to evolve and build that up. And then we have the quantum tooling integration and the R&D around that. And then we have the operations and the marketing, which is obviously more of an overarching sector. So as we look at the management structure that we're employing within our team, we're heavily aligned with the OKR structures, which enable us to remain nimble, focused.
So see you next year with more events and with more connections. We're really more about the quantum ecosystem. Thank you very much again, and see you soon.